not unusually open for you. A quote from the Bible that Father Justin Dias, lovingly called Charlie, was a firm believer of. And why do I say this? Let me read out the message that he dictated to me over phone. I had healed and handed over multiple copies for him to distribute it to people in Africa. The message, and this is why he was alive, probably at that point in time when he was undergoing this treatment. Dear friends, the message goes like this. Dear friends, I am Father Charlie Dias SJ, a Jesuit priest currently working in Amreshwar Mission. I had a wonderful experience working with the students and the children in schools like Rosary Baroda, St. David's Ahmedabad, St. David's Surat. Now I am posted in Amreshwar. We have a non-aided primary school from the 4th to the 8th. It is a residential school for the poor tribals. I play the role of the school animator, helping out in the English classes and conducting spoken English and motivational talks for the students, both boys and girls. Since the students attending the schools are tribals, they come from poor families and villages. Any help and connection with their education and development will be most welcome. This was his appeal. We fathers look after 350 boys and sisters look after 285 girls in their respective hostels. In case you wish to help and make these children happy, you may contribute by sending these goods, clothes, pants, shirts, stationery, bags, toys. Remember, all in the age group of 9 to 15. Your help will go a long way in making the lives of the students happier and brighter. He also asked everyone to pray for my good health and for my work with the tribal children. And he thanked everyone for the support that he had been receiving always. This was signed by Father Charlie Dias. Many of you present here may even have received calls from Father Charlie Dias and appeals for help. He was always doing it with a good intention. And what people thought about it did not matter to him. I must say this. It was to him that God was reaching out to the people. Yes, Father Charlie Dias reached out and touched the lives of many people wherever he went. In whatever he did, especially the children whom he loved so much and cared for. He always said, children are the most beautiful flowers of the universe. The school children, the teachers, the working staff of every school that he taught at or worked for, the leadership campers, and I am one of those who helped him in the camp, whom he dedicated more than 25 years. The 4th day formation campers of Loyola Meeting, the sports and games that he so ferociously propagated, being a sports person himself, the scouts, the cubs, the social service society, sports days and annual days, cultural events, association of past daily rights, to everything that he touched, he gave his best. He always said, give your best and God will do the rest. We the parishioners of Loyola were fortunate to have him. The altar servers, both boys and girls, the choir group, the Christmas celebrations, the visit to the old age home or the Shishu Vihar, that is Mother Teresa's sisters frontline for the children, the home for the sick and the destitute, pilgrimage to Goa. Many of us will remember him taking a trip of 2 busloads of people to Goa, and the Christmas celebration. This list is endless, but the man today is no more. But yes, his memories live on through his noble works. And because of the noble works that he did, I am here to propose, and I am sure many of you would love to be a part of it. The proposal is formation of the Reverend Father Charlie Dias SJ Foundation. I am sure many of you would love to be a part of it. This foundation proposes to print the second book that Father Charlie Dias was working on. The first book is already out and many of you must have copies of it. The second book which he was working on will will be printed and published. It is a compilation of work by Padachari Labs. Apart from helping out the people of Bhubaneswar, the students, the other activities that this foundation proposes to do is offer annual mass, leadership, continue with its legacy of conducting leadership camps and sports events as and when possible. This would be under the aegis of the Career Development Center, which was the one who was instrumental in publishing the first book. And the foundation proposes to have a committee that would be nominations from the Society of Jesus, which Padachari Labs was part of, members of the family who have already consented to it and have nominated Brian Labs to be the member, friends and relatives whom I invite to give your names behind Mr. George Fernandez would be available to take down those who are willing to join in this mission, their names and contact numbers for further details, and representation from the Career Development Center who will be heading this or taking the lead in formation of this foundation. Yes. Post the initial 3 years activities that are proposed to be carried out by the Career Development Center, the foundation will then be an independent body, and I am sure the legacy will continue. This is all that I propose to do, and I am sure many of you will be willing and most happy to join. Thank you very much.
Father Charlie loved to sing. For any Jesuit get together, he would cobble together a set of songs, and if I was around, one look was enough for me to realize that I had been inducted into a makeshift choir. Today, I'd like to render this hymn for him by Jim Reeves. Few of you may know that one of the nicknames he had inherited, I don't know how it came, was Lord Jim. And so today, Lord Jim, this one is for you. When my way grows drear, precious Lord, become near. When my life is almost gone, hear my cry, hear my call, hold my hand, lest I fall. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am poor. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. When my work is all done and my race here is run, let me see by the light thou hast shown. That message so bright, where the lamp is the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on.